find the average rate of change of the function 6x minus 4. Okay, this function g as x changes from -2 to 5. That's a to b. It's kind of a to b. And we know the formula for average rate of change. That will be given by function at b is basically slope of a line. That's rise over run. Rise over run means change in y coordinates divided by change in x coordinates. And this g, this is in fact the whole thing is y coordinate and these are x coordinates. So change in y coordinates. So g at b minus g at a over rise over run b minus a. Okay, this is just the run part, -2 to 5. That's the run part, and these are the height functions. Okay, y values. So change in y values. This is the average rate of change. Let's evaluate this. What I would do separately here. I would not do everything here. So evaluate g at b. So this is g function. So g at b means g at 5. So replace x by 5. So 6 times 5 minus 4. So 6 times 5 30 minus 4 26. So gb is in fact 26 minus ga. So evaluate this function at -2. ga at -2. So replace x by -2. 6 times -2 minus 4. 6 times -2 -12 minus 4. That's -16. So this is -16 all over b is 5 minus a is -2. 5 minus -2 b minus a. This negative positive 26 plus 16 42 over negative positive again 5 plus 2 7. Divide 42 by 7. 7 goes 6 times, so 6. So the average rate of change, in fact that's the slope for this curve when it moves from here to here, is 6. Okay, about the same type of question, we have a function given x squared plus 5x, and we need to find difference quotient. That's the finally this part. So we want to go through these steps. So it's given f of input is equal to input squared. This is quantity square, by the way. F of input equals input squared plus 5 times input. So when we are finding f of x plus h, our input is x plus h. So replace x by x plus h. So this will be x square means x plus h quantity square plus 5x. X is x plus h, which is x plus h squared. So we want to multiply x plus h by itself. Okay, we need to FOIL. We get x squared plus xh plus hx plus h squared. X squared xh plus, this is also xh, so 2 copies of xh plus h squared. So this is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus distribute 5. So 5x plus 5h. Okay, so a is done. Now in part b, we need to find f of x plus h, that is here we just found, minus fx. Fx is the given function. Okay, so this part is just found here. Let me write that here. X squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus 5x plus 5h minus. So whenever we have minus, we must put parentheses around, because minus means -1. We need to distribute that later. Minus fx. Fx is given x squared plus 5x. Okay, let's distribute -1 so that we can get rid of this parentheses. So we have x squared plus 2xh plus h squared plus 5x plus 5h. This is negative 1, so negative x squared. This is negative, so minus 5x. Now we'll have couple of cancellations. 5x negative, positive, x squared. So we get 2x8 plus h squared plus 5h. That's part B. Now we want to go to part C. Okay, so in part C, whatever we have in the part B, this is the part B, divide by h. So basically divide this by h. So the top part is found in part B, which is 2x8 plus h squared plus 5h divided by h. Okay, do not cancel anything. We don't have factors on the top. To cancel, we have to have factors. So we have 3 terms on the top, but we can factor h out, then we can cancel with bottom. So h, so bottom is already h, just h, and we can factor h on the top, then h out, 2x left plus h squared, h times h, 1 h is out, h left, 1 left, plus 5 times h, h out, 5 left. Now we can cancel 5 and 5, and that leaves 2x plus h plus 5. That's the final answer.